what's going on, guys? What do you know? My shirt matches my car. All right, so I've coated this in Vvivid Fuse ceramic coating. As you can see, I've driven this to Montreal and back. That was a 10-hour drive in one day. It was a disaster, freezing rain, snow, like it wasn't a lot of fun. Haven't washed this since I coated it, which was probably like a week and a half ago or so. And yeah, it doesn't look nearly as bad as it did when I didn't wash it before that for about a week and a half or so. So we noticed that there's not as much stuck to it. There's salt, of course, and dirt, but you know that happens as part of winter in Canada. It's always fun. But yeah, so we're gonna spray it off right now. I'm gonna show you, sorry, what this looks like as we spray it off. We're just gonna power wash it, and yeah, it should look pretty good. We're gonna show you some of the water beading properties, the hydrophobic property that it has to it. So it still has a very nice sheen to it. I'm excited to see what it looks like once we finally get it clean, because it's been cleaning in almost a couple of weeks. So let's watch this, guys. Let's do it. Jimmy and I are going to wash this up. Check that out, that's wicked. That is super impressive, guys. Check out the hood. So there's a huge advantage to having a ceramic coated car, obviously, right? You do the back already? You did the back? Just gonna get my side over here. Looks pretty good. 50% ceramic coating. The ceramic coating, yeah. So hold on, before we wash it, I just want to show them the camera. So I want to show them the roof, how it's not ceramic coated. So you can see that the roof, guys, has no hydrophobic property to it really at all. Even though it is vinyl, it's still not. The water's just sitting there. Let's check out the hood, right? The hood, on the other hand, has water beading all over it. And on top of that, the car already looks clean. It looks pretty clean. It's nice. So, nice part about that is that you can just do that right over top of a chrome wrap, and you don't really have to take a sponge to it anymore. So that really preserves the finish when it comes to maintaining, especially a delicate finish like chrome, or a gloss chrome, for example. This is a bit more resilient since it's a satin chrome, but it's great to protect a gloss chrome because you don't have to wash it with a sponge as much. And by doing that, you're not touching the surface anymore, so you're not creating any scratches. On top of that, it is resilient to various fine scratches and stuff like that you would normally get with a sponge. So let's give it a wash with a sponge anyways. Just wanted to show the guys what it looked like. It's pretty awesome. And this, it's not just going to wash off as he washes it right now. This is not like a wax. So you know, even though he's taking a sponge to it and we took a power washer to it, it's not like a wax. So you can wash this like 100 times and it's not going to come off. It's going to be there 100 times after every wash. It should last about 4 or 5 years or so. And you know, we've got to protect your investment. So if you're going to wrap your car, I mean, if you're going to keep this on for like anywhere from 2 to 5 years or more, I mean, you might want to just get it ceramic coated and wrap it and protect it. So after this, we can even just take, instead of taking the power washer to it, we can just take the hose. It's a little bit quieter, and see how the water beads with the hose. So I'm going to grab it right now and start rinsing it off. Just a little, just here, yeah. Perfect. So at Concept Auto Salon, these guys actually do like a full 3-stage paint correction and ceramic coating for paint. Now this is a new product from Vvivid, collaborated with G Technique, called Fuse. It's available on their website, and you can protect your wrap, because I mean, this is a wrap channel, right? I'm teaching you guys wrap. So this is something that I can install now on any person's vehicle, including my own, and teach you guys how to install it as well, which I do have that video. I'll post a link up in the top corner there for you, so if you haven't seen the how to apply the video on the ceramic coating, it's there. It's pretty straightforward. I think we got the whole car done in like an hour or two. So let's check it out over here as we rinse it off. Pretty nice, right? So after this, like, instead of taking a cloth to it also, what we can do is just use some compressed air and blow off all of the water, and it'll just roll right off. As you can see, it's just rolling off. So super cool effect. See, the roof doesn't do that. It just kind of sits there. And it's just as flat. It's just as flat as the hood, if not more flat. And the water just kind of sits there. So obviously when the water dries like that, it's going to create watermarks and it's not going to be nice. But yeah, we're going to end up using the power washer now and get it cleaned up for the rest of the way and go over the whole car, dry it off, and see what it looks like. We'll just use the compressor to dry it off afterwards. So guys, you can even do this on like your wheels. You can do this, I think you can do it on glass. I haven't tried it on glass yet, and this is a vinyl product. But there are ceramic coating products that you can use on glass. So it's really nice. Like if you want to protect your wheels, you got new wheels, and you want to coat them, it'll keep the brake dust and stuff like that from sticking to it and burning into the actual metal itself. If you have a high performance car, super common. So once these guys finish it off, we'll dry it off a little bit. Where's the air thing? I saw it.
Over there.
Over there? Here somewhere? The air spray. Oh, it's here. This one. Just to spray it, yeah. So we'll turn the compressor on. It's gonna get loud, guys, sorry. We're gonna wait for that to charge for a second. It's not enough.
Yeah.
I'll give it a couple minutes. So we're just gonna give that a couple of minutes to fill up with air. That way I can show you what it's like to use a compressor. Just blow the water right off, and yeah, you're done. So easiest car wash ever, right? And especially doing it in the winter time, like takes us like 10-15 minutes. Super smooth. It's awesome. It's okay? Cool. Alright guys, so I'll just show you more or less on the hood. Do it here. Pretty nice, right? It even sticks to this plastic. We didn't coat this plastic vent, so it sticks to the plastic vent much more than it sticks to the hood. Let's go around the other side. You can do your headlights. Looks good. Let's check it out. Nice, right? So dry up the rest of the car and then call it a day. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video of, sorry about the noise, hopefully the microphone's picking up better sound. If you enjoyed this video of the ceramic coating and kind of what it does on a vinyl wrap, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want to purchase a product like this, you can buy it directly from Vvivid's website. They do have it. It's called Fuse, and it's awesome, as you can see, for coating your vinyl wraps and protecting the finish. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.